Good morning, children. Today in English, we will learn about the sound of O. Sound of vowel O. So we will start. O sounds O. Plus P sounds Po. 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 When both sound will combine, they will form op. 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 While pronouncing op, beta, your mouth will be closed. Op. O. P. Op. Op. O. P. Op. Op. O. P. Op. When both sound will combine, they will make the sound op. O and P, op. Op. They will make the sound op. Now we will read some more combination of consonants with vowel. This O vowel. H, 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 H plus op, op, hop, hop, hop. Now T, T, T sound, T, T plus op, they will make the word top, top, top. P sound P plus op, they will make pop, pop, pop. M, M, the sound of M is M plus op, op. They will make mop, mop. We will again read from here. H, op, hop, H, op, hop. T, op, top, top. P, op, pop, P, op, pop. M, op, mop, M, op, mop. While pronouncing these words, op words, beta, your mouth will be, you will keep your mouth closed. Hop, top, pop, mop. So, this was about op sound. Op, op, op. Now we will come to another. Look here now. Now the sound of O, that is O, it will combine with the sound of G. G, G, G. O, G, O, G. And they both will make the sound og, 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 og. O plus G, G, og, og, og. Now we will read some words with og string, okay? Let's see. L, L plus og, og. They will make the word log, log, log. Your mouth will be remain open while pronouncing these og words. F plus og. They will make the word fog, fog, fog. Next is D, D sound plus og. And the word will be dog, dog, dog. J, J plus og, jog, jog, jog. Now we will read again. Log, log. For fog, fog. Dog, dog, dog. Jog, jog. Again we will read the words. Log, fog, dog, jog. So children, this was about og words. Okay, thank you.